I'm David with Great Choice Audio Video.
I'm Steve Brown from Great Choice Audio Video.
Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video.
Hey, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. We got a new project and I wanted to show you a walkthrough of what we're doing here. We're doing a full rack. We're going to put all the equipment. As you see, this rack is ready to fall, so there's going to be a lot in it. Down here, you'll see all the shelves we've placed that's going to go into this rack. And right here, we have all our surge protection, and Surgex, which that'll be the first thing plugged into the wall, then everything after that. The homeowner is using an alarm control system. So here we have a multi-channel amplifier. We're going to do 6 zones of audio with this. We're using a Fusion Research here to do the streaming music. We have 2 Sony surround sound receivers. One is going to be for the theater room, which later we'll show you guys what we're doing there. And then we have a smaller 810 receiver that we're using for the living room surround sound. This project's going to be super awesome. We're controlling a lot of things that we're excited to show you guys here later. When we take you into where all the equipment's going to go. This is going to be the equipment closet. It's a mess right now, but those are our network pieces. We're going to have an Ethernet switch, control everything directly. We're going to have 3 access points throughout the house and great Wi-Fi. So stay tuned and look forward to showing this project as it finishes.